What's up guys, I'm Marcus here. So welcome to the top video of my YouTube channel learndatascienceskill.com. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can add additional indicators to our candlestick chart. So in the last video I show you how you can plot this Facebook daily stock prices candlestick chart with using Yahoo Finance, and I show you how you can also add the volume and put your title and change the style to candlestick pattern, in which you can see candlestick chart in two colors. In this video we can look at how we can add the moving averages, and probably we want to add the additional plot of adjusted close into this candlestick chart. We can also look at how we can resample these daily charts into a weekly chart to further your technical analysis. So without further ado, let's look at how we can do it right now. So we'll close this and then back to our supply text. If you want to add moving average, it's very simple with using Yahoo Finance package. You just need to say moving average is equal to, for example, 50 days moving average and then probably 150 days moving average. So once you have done that, you just need to click Ctrl B. So after you retrieve the data from Yahoo Finance, you probably want to save it in your computer so that you don't have to load it every time, because to fetch the data it will take some time. That's why it will take some time to plot your chart. So now we have to move 50 days moving average in blue color line and also our 50 days moving average in yellow color line in our chart. You can see that some moving averages are missing at the beginning of the chart, because to plot 50 days you will need 50 days moving average, you will need 50 days of data, and to plot 150 days moving average, you will need 150 days of data. So I think it looks pretty good at this moment. With moving average, you can better analyze your chart. And the only thing is that Yahoo Finance doesn't allow you to put legend into your chart at this moment, so you can't put a legend for the moving average. I believe the author will further enhance this function in future. So the next thing that we probably want to do is maybe we want to add the adjusted close of Facebook into the candlestick charts as well. So to do that, you just need to define, for example, at dic is equal to mpf.make add plot, and then we can say df adjusted close. So, and then you just need to add additional argument here, which is add plot equal to this, and then Ctrl B. So when this is done, you can see now there is additional green line on our plot, which is the adjusted close of every single day. You are not only restricted to add adjusted close to this candlestick chart. If you have any other data set, you can just read in the data as a separate data frame, and then you can make the add plot of, for example, you want to compare Google with Facebook. You can also load in the Google stock price in another data frame, and then you can make the add plot with the Google closing price to compare with the Facebook closing price. So I'm not going to show you how to do it, but you can do it on your own as a homework. So the last thing we probably want to do is maybe we want to change or resample this daily candlestick chart into a weekly candlestick chart to further your analysis. So to do that, let's close this, and then I probably want to remove the adjusted close because it makes the candlestick chart looks a little bit clumsy. And yeah, and then I also want to remove this, and to resample your data frame, you can define a new data frame is equal to data frame dot resample, and then let's say we want to resample to 1 week dot agg, and then we can define our dictionary. What is going wrong here? So dictionary, okay, so in our dictionary we will have opened, high, low, close, and volume of the. So to plot the weekly chart, you will also need open, high, low, close, and then the open, high, low, close of the weekly chart. So for example, the open of the weekly chart will be equal to the first daily data, and the high will be equal to the max of the daily data, and the low will be the minimum of the daily data, and the close will be the last daily data of that week, and the volume is just the sum of all the daily data in that week. So once that is done, you just need to replace this data frame with the new data frame, and then we can plot it with Ctrl B. So when that is done, you can see that now we have a weekly chart in which our each candlestick is representing 1 week. For example, this one is 12th of April, and then jump to 19th of April. Yeah, pretty cool. So it's pretty simple and easy to use. I believe this will be very helpful for your analysis. And yeah, by the way, if you are looking at developing a full feature chart, you will probably want to look at the TradingView, which offer a full feature chart with all the symbols in the US stock market, and you can also compare with any other indicators or stock you want to compare. You can look at all different kind of indicators or financial data, and you can also change it to all different time frame that you want. And there are a lot of useful tools. For example, you can plot the trend line, and you can also look at the alert into your watch list, and you can also look at the headlines for this particular stock. So if you want to sign up for TradingView, I put the affiliate link in the description of this YouTube video. And if you also want to explore more about data science, you can go through my website, learndatascienceskill.com, in which I frequently post about different machine learning or anything that is related to data science. Or if you also want to learn more about stock market, you can also go to my website, stockmarketmalaysia.com, which I put the data related to Malaysia stock market and also the United States stock market. I also post blog posts regarding different concepts and theories and principles in the stock market. So if you like my video, feel free to click the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.